Hey guys, welcome to episode 42, and on today's episode we are starting a new series on the NP4 Skiver from Leather Machine Company. Now, this video is all about assembling and setting up your machine once it arrives to your house on the pallet. So take it off the pallet, unbox everything, and the following steps are how to get your machine up and running. So let's take a look. Alright, once you have everything unboxed and taken off the pallet, let's go through the accessory bag. You should have a motor belt and a plethora of tools. This is your bar grindstone stick, flathead screwdriver, oil, the skived leather sample piece from the machine before it was shipped off, and some mounting screws. The unique tools included are the grindstone dresser, the knife cover remover, the grindstone nut spanner, and 3 additional presser feet. Attach the 4 wheels to the base of the machine and then stand the platform up. Next is to lift the NP4 machine and place it on the tabletop. On the table there are 4 preset mounting holes for your machine. Line your machine up with those 4 holes and then proceed to screw in the 4 mounting screws. On the back of the machine there is a wing nut. Unscrew this to remove the belt guard. Lower the motor belt through the hole and place the belt on the second grooved position. This allows the belt to line up with everything perfectly with the motor. Next, raise the motor up and slide the belt into place on the motor's grooved wheel. Then pull the motor downward and tighten the nuts into place. Alright, the final step is to put the belt guard back and then tighten down the wing nut. Alright, that's it for today. Thank you so much for watching. I hope this information has helped. If it has, please like and subscribe. That does help this channel grow, and I'll see you on next week's episode. Take care.